Welcome. If you want to get Call of Duty Mobile on your Huawei smartphone without Google services, just follow every step and you can get it really fast and really easy. So we have to get the second smartphone with the Play Store, and right here I get the Huawei P30 Pro, and right now you have to download the Call of Duty Mobile here and also the application in Phone Clone that we are going to use to transfer this application. So here it is, the Phone Clone, and right now I here got the Call of Duty, and right now just tap on the Phone Clone on the both smartphones, click on your smartphone with the Play Store that this is the old phone, and on your Huawei smartphone without Google services this is the new phone. Select the old phone type, and right now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Right now click here to unselect all stuff, then just scroll down, select apps and the data, and just select your Call of Duty, click OK, tap transfer, click OK one more time, input your log method. In my case it was the simple pattern. So it is sending right now and the time left is 2 minutes, so we have to wait. Click right here on the OK button. Click finished, and right now we can check if it is working properly. Click OK, let's grant the permission. Click OK, and right now we have to check if we are connected. Okay, we are turned off the Wi-Fi, so right now just turn it on, and right now just go back to your Call of Duty. And as you can see, it is downloading the available patch, so it's working. I hope that helped you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!